it's Giacomo speaking, and thanks for watching this quick video on US dollar to Japanese yen pair. This is one of the most traded pair in technical analysis, and in front of us we can see that just using a very simple tool, it's one of the most trustworthy tools in technical analysis, we can see that the market has been bearish since since this is when the virus came in, then it jumped up, and then it's a bearish market with this exponential moving average of 500, just finding this bearish trend line, defining all those peaks, and where it worked as almost always, except for this one, but generally worked perfectly for all the other peaks as support, as resistance level. So we are in a bearish market. We were in a bearish market until let's say before until Christmas, last Christmas. So since the start of the new year, it seems that something happened, and the breakout, or the breakout upward, the upward breakout of this exponential moving average gave us a signal of strength to this market. So it means that something happened here, and something of reversal pattern should be found somewhere there. Where generally what happened is that we have got a new bottoms higher than the previous one, and we have got a new peak higher than the previous one, just signing a beginning of telling us that there is a possible new uptrend. So this behavior, the breakout of this exponential moving average and these new peaks, these peaks higher than the previous one, and the bottoms higher than the previous bottoms, it means that it seems that actually a new uptrend rally has just started. So because we've got these signals, the idea will be to go long and following this possible new trend. So this is an overview of the stock. Let's go in more detail. Let's see what's happening in 1 hour candlestick, and let's see if we are able to understand what's happening there. So this is based, as I told you, we got a new bottoms higher than the previous one, and we got a new peak that was already, as we can see just quickly, a new peak that was already a little bit higher than the previous one, as we are at that. This is the new peak, this is the previous one, giving again a strength signal of this market. So now what can happen next? So what we can see, we can see there are two options: that the market this stock will start going upward since tomorrow, so they can keep going upward with the new target price of 105.7 Japanese yen, or it can go down. This option, I would not like this option. I would think this is what's gonna happen with this first target price of 105 Japanese yen. So the idea would be to go long, reaching this 105.7 Japanese yen. There might be still this option, but I would give 40% of possibility to this option, while this one I will give 60% of probabilities. So the idea is that the stock will start going up from next week, from Monday. The next target price will be 106.1 Japanese yen. This is the second target price. It was based, I think, on a previous peak that happened before, and I consider it as possible target price. But in other words, what we would like to know right now in this situation, since the beginning of the new year, the market has been bullish. We got a new bottoms higher than previous, new peaks higher than previous, and the idea is to go long following this new possible bullish trend. So now be careful, because we are in a bullish market, and I would always suggest to go long. So even for a short term, even if there is an opportunity to go short up to this new to test again this support level, I will not go short in a bullish trend. So the idea will be always to go long. So the idea is to go long with the first target price, as I told you before, is how much it was first target price of 105.7 and second target price of 106.1 Japanese yen. So bullish trend, bullish market. The idea is to go long, and so for long-term investment, go long. But if you go for long-term investment, bear in mind that you can lose some money now, some money there, because the stock might go down a little bit up to 104.4 before going up again. As I told you already, both options are still valid, but the main idea is to go long for long-term investment. If you are keen to lose some money there, you can just start investing from tomorrow, or just wait in next week's what's gonna happen. If you see that the prices will go there, will go down up to this support level, wait that this support level will not be broken, and then you can go long. So actually you will reduce the risks. So if you're gonna wait this possible price retracement will happen, you're gonna reduce the risk, of course, but or otherwise you can just go long from next week. Bear in mind that you can lose some money, because the market can go, this forex market, this pair can go down in the next days, next weeks, before going up again. But overall, the idea is to go long, because we are in a new bullish trend. It seems that the trend is going to be reverted, has already been reversed, because we have got a new peak higher than the previous one, as well as a new bottoms higher than the previous one. So the idea will be to go long following the new trend. Thanks. Bye.